everyone, I hope you guys are well. Today I'm going to do a video where I follow another beauty guru's tutorial. I've been noticing a lot of people doing this and I thought this was a really fun video because I'm always doing over-the-top dramatic transformations, and for a change I want to do a very beautiful everyday glam type of look. So it took me a while to decide who I wanted to follow, but I decided on Nikkie Tutorials. I don't know if she remembers, but years ago I messaged her and told her if there was any other person that could touch my face or do my makeup, it would be her, and she was really happy. So I think she's just amazing. The way she does her makeup, it's always perfection. Like, she has magic in her hands. So I want to try it. I know it's not gonna even be close to how amazing her looks are, but I'm gonna try. So let's begin. Okay, so this is her Slayer holiday makeup look video. She is starting out bare face just like me, and then I think she's taking her illuminator first. That one's from Icon London, but I have Dermablend. It's basically the same thing. So I'm going to take this, and then she's also using the MAC Strobe Cream, which I have a little baby one. And I guess I'm applying the Strobe Cream first. Okay, she's so funny. Alright, so we're just gonna start. Okay, so just on the cheek like this. I'm probably gonna use up all of this product today.
Why do people do it like that? It doesn't make any sense. And then the best part.
Alright, and then we're gonna do the illuminator.
I'm crying.
Okay.
And now,
just gonna do a little drip. Why isn't it not doing the drip? And then, yeah, my face is gonna be super shimmery now. Use a brush and just blend the whole thing.
Well, okay then. So apparently this is an amazing dewy.
Whoa, I look like a giant shiny pearl. Okay, next she's taking her Jouer foundation, and I have that foundation too. I love this foundation. It's super pigmented and has amazing coverage. So I'm going to mix these two and apply it with the Beauty Blender. Here it goes. She's pretty generous with her foundation. I think it's a little light for me. Okay, this is a little too generous, guys. I'm just going to blend it down my neck. Okay, I just look like a mime right now. Looks like we're going straight to the eye makeup, so I quickly did my brows. I don't have that Morphe palette, but I know she likes Juvia's Place, so I'm just going to take this darker eyeshadow from their Masquerade palette and then start applying it on the outer corners. Okay, and then she's just working it towards the inner corners. Just gonna pack it on. I'm not gonna worry about blending right now. Okay, so you have to do this a bit heavy-handed. Oh my God, just trying to soften the edges with the lighter brown. I've never copied a tutorial step by step like this before, so this is a lot of fun. I like it. Okay, so she's doing a little half cut crease on the center. I'm taking this really nice rounded flat brush from Makeup Forever, and then okay, focus. I don't have to bring it too low. Okay, that looks pretty close. Alright, let's move on to this one. I just realized that Nikkie has small eyelids like me. I mean, hers still a little bit bigger, but that means I can pull off most of her looks. Okay, so just a little bit of bronze on the crease. I'm kind of worried. I don't want this crease to just like pop out. I kind of want it to blend with the brown. So let me see, maybe after I apply the lighter color on top. Whoa.
Until you have something like
Alright, so black liner.
On the waterline, I'm applying the Jouer Slim Cream eyeliner in black.
Okay, yeah, it has to be super black.
A black shadow. I'm using the one from the Morphe palette.
And then she also sets it with a black eyeshadow. Okay, so darker brown on the lower lash line. Wow, it's like watching Bob Ross, guys, doing makeup. Ooh, no eyeliner. Okay, so she's going straight to the lashes. The lashes, I'm going to take Velour's Curly Lash. I feel kind of weird not wearing an eyeliner because I'm so used to it, but I'm just going to give this a try. And boom. Ooh, looks good even without the eyeliner. Now we're gonna move on to the cheeks. So first she's taking a darker bronzer. So I'm taking this from Estee Edit, and then for the lighter one, I got my MAC. So I'm just gonna blend this too. I don't think she's gonna use a blush because this already has a lot of color. Okay, so the second one, it's like a lighter one, just above.
And at the very end of doing
next up is baking the jawline, so just on the sides. She's so funny, guys. I can't believe she went out like this. For highlighting, I'm taking this Ofra Highlighter and just on the cheekbones, guys. She's the highlight queen, so this has to be perfect. Looks like she applied on her nose too. Okay, for the lips, she's starting out by applying this shimmery lip liner. That's from Jouer, and I don't have that, so I'm just going to take this Art Deco lip liner and then just outline the Cupid's bow.
To get that shimmer and make it a little softer. I love this stuff. And the first color is...
She's going to be using two Jouer lip creams. One is Buff and the other one is Papaye. I have both of them, so I'm going to apply Buff first. She has a really nice pout. Okay, so after that she's using Papaye. It's like more of a lip topper. Okay, I need to find it.
And I didn't think I would want a gloss.
Okay, and then I think she also applied a lip gloss. So I have this beautiful gloss, pink gloss. And finally, this is the last step, guys, the setting spray. So here is how it looks like. I tried my hardest. It really wasn't easy. I know she makes it look so easy, but I still feel like I'm missing something. She looks so gorgeous with her hair all down. Maybe I can find a wig that looks like her hair, and I'll be back. So this is what I look like with my blonde wig and a blue contact. I just had to do it, guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to thumbs up if you loved this video, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Make the most perfect little girls. Bubbles, Blossom, and finally Buttercup.